If you're anything like me, keeping your nails perfectly polished can sometimes feel like a battle against time and daily wear. But imagine if you could skip the salon and still flaunt nails that look like they just stepped out of a professional studio. Well, that's exactly what Kiss's imPRESS Press-On Nails Couture collection promises to do. These nails come in the shade Lavish and boast a patented Super-Hold Adhesive, designed to stay put for long-lasting wear. But what's the real deal with these press-ons? Let's dive in and see if they're worth the hype. First, let's talk about the product itself. The Kiss imPRESS Press-On Nails are essentially your at-home manicure solution, packaged with 30 fake nails and 12 accent nails. The collection is designed for anyone looking to achieve a professional-looking manicure without the hassle or price tag of a salon visit. And the best part? These nails come with a patented Super-Hold Adhesive, which, according to the brand, helps them stay put for a longer time. No lifting or peeling after a day of doing dishes or typing away at your computer. Now, in terms of aesthetics, I'm sure you can tell by the name that Lavish lives up to its name. The colors and finishes are absolutely eye-catching, with a perfect mix of matte and glossy nails, alongside accent nails that feature sleek designs. Whether you're heading to a fancy dinner or just want to add some sparkle to a Tuesday, these nails are versatile enough to pair with any look. But how did they actually perform during testing? I was a little skeptical about how well they'd hold up throughout daily activities. And let's be real, press-ons can sometimes feel a bit flimsy. But the Super-Hold Adhesive was definitely a standout feature here. These nails stayed in place for days on end without any lifting, even after washing dishes and going about my daily routine. The application was incredibly easy as well. Just peel, stick, and press. The glue-free application means no mess, and they fit my natural nail beds pretty comfortably, so there were no weird bulges or gaps. That said, no product is perfect. While the adhesion was impressive, the size options were a bit limited. I did have to mix and match a bit to get a perfect fit, which could be an issue for those with either smaller or larger nail beds. Also, after a few days of wear, I did notice some slight edge wear, especially on the accent nails, which isn't uncommon for press-ons. They didn't last the full 2 weeks, as some other press-on nails might, but I was still impressed with their durability over the short term. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Kiss imPRESS Couture nails aren't as cheap as your run-of-the-mill press-ons, but they definitely offer salon-level quality at a fraction of the price. When you consider the longevity of wear, the high-end look, and the fact that you're not spending every few days at a salon, these nails deliver pretty good value. Plus, they're easy to remove without damaging your natural nails, which is always a bonus. In terms of alternatives, there are other press-on nails on the market, but not many come close to the same combination of ease, design, and durability as these. You can find cheaper options, but you might not get the same quality of adhesive or the range of stylish finishes that Kiss offers with the imPRESS collection. So what's the final verdict on the Kiss imPRESS Press-On Nails Couture collection? If you're someone who loves switching up your nails often or just wants an easy, cost-effective way to get a flawless manicure, these nails are definitely worth a try. They're easy to use, look fabulous, and stay put without a salon visit. However, if you have larger or smaller nails, you might face a bit of a fit challenge. Still, with the right adjustments, these press-ons deliver some serious style that's hard to beat. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.